ज्यायो ह्यकर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः।
Steel, the most vital of all metals in today's world. The massive infrastructure building and development programs for industry in urban and rural areas, the emergence of powerful new technology industries, the spread of knowledge, all depend on the strength of steel. At Shyam Steel, it is our goal to deliver the kind of steels you and the country need, that help you make those decisions that are important for the future. Shyam Steel's corporate philosophy is focused simply on excellence and taking the customer from simple satisfaction to total delight. It has helped us win coveted ISO certifications covering virtually every aspect of our operations. Before we look at the dynamics behind Shyam Steel's production facilities, let me tell you that the company is a trendsetter in the private sector in the eastern region, with 4 plants at strategic locations producing TMT rebars and structural steels that matches best in the industry. The facilities that showcase Shyam Steel's considerable strengths are the units which offer fully integrated facilities for steel product manufacturing. Shyam Steel sources all raw materials from the most reliable resources. Shyam Steel's direct reduction of iron facility or DRI plant is a technologically sophisticated unit that can produce sponge iron with up to 90% metallization. Plant production is PLC controlled and manned by trained qualified engineers with unique skill sets. Now you are center stage at the high drama action area of Shyam Steel, the steel melting shop or the SMS. The battery of sophisticated high melt rate furnaces are charged with an optimum mix of sponge iron, pig iron and alloy elements. Electric power then surges through the mix and pure molten steel pours into preheated ladles. Tested thoroughly by advanced spectrometer, after which adequate alloys are added to the melt. Then the ladle is taken to the twin-strand modular continuous casting machine, the first one of its kind in the eastern region, set up in technical collaboration with Concast AG, Zurich, and billets are finally cast. Better, faster, cheaper, that's the mantra of the world today. And Shyam Steel's TMT plant from HSE Germany delivers just that where the customers want it. On to the rolling process giving shape to the liquid steel. The Shyam Steel rolling lines represents top-grade facilities, high speed, high accuracy, PLC controlled, fully automated mills that can roll products over a range up to 40 mm diameter. The very advanced thermomechanical treatment process used by Shyam Steel under license from the world-renowned Thermex Germany produces TMT bars at high speed. Shyam Steel TMT rebars use quenching and tempering processes to achieve a remarkable product. High strength for extra load-bearing capacity and safety, higher ductility and better bendability, and superior wieldability for easy working. Best of all, Shyam Steel TMT bars have a high yield strength, almost 450 to 490 Newton per square millimeter, and elongation value of 18 to 25%, which compares to global standards. BFE 500 is one product category that is big on yield strength from 500 to 600 newtons, which translates into high savings for the users and finds excellent applications in core infrastructure projects like dams, bridges, railways, towers and other critical structures. Wait, there's more. Shyam Steel has addressed the problem of steel corrosion in RCC structures and come up with a solution. Shyam TMT rebars also come in corrosion-resistant grades manufactured with intrinsic corrosion-resistant properties ensured by special microalloyed billets and in-house patented quenching and tempering processes. In fact, Shyam Steel is the only steel producer in India after SAIL, Tata and RINL to have this. It is a challenge for builders to build earthquake-resistant structures, and Shyam Steel has risen to the challenge by formulating seismic-resistant TMT reinforcement bars that can absorb a lot of seismic energy before fracturing. These bars are rolled under specially controlled conditions from Shyam Steel's specialty microalloyed billets. The product was developed in collaboration with metallurgical research teams of Jadavpur University and exhibit excellent physical, chemical and impact-resistant properties. Everybody today is quality-led. Shyam Steel takes it a step further by following the golden rules of total quality management, listening to the customer, enriching processes, production and quality controls, and optimizing the customer experience individually and collectively. Ask any one of our blue chip customer and the satisfaction ratings you will find are among the highest in India. Shyam Steel's pan-India network of marketing outlets provide doorstep service to the customers everywhere. Their trust and confidence has been our inspiration to grow and exceed expectation in every quarter. On 5th February 2008, Shyam Steel signed an MOU with Government of West Bengal. The group plans of two greenfield integrated steel plants, one in Purulia district with a capacity of 1.1 million ton and another at Kharagpur in West Midnapur with a capacity of 0.6 million ton. The Purulia plant will be set up on 1200 acres of land, the Kharagpur plant on 650 acres. The Purulia projects will also have a 1 million ton cement plant and 150 megawatt captive power plant. The Kharagpur project will have similar facilities including a captive 75 megawatt power plant. The Purulia project plans to be operational by 2011. Shyam Steel has embarked on a diversification program and invested resources in creating a land bank for its upcoming real estate business. Welcome to the nerve center of Shyam Steel's business, its corporate office at Sector 5, Salt Lake, one of India's model zones of modern business. The planning and decision-making zone of the corporate office is occupied by Mr. Shyam Sundar Beriwala, Chairman, and the 6 directors who look after different activities of the group. Mr. Purushottam Beriwala is in charge of the group's entire production division. Mr. Brijesh Beriwala is also in charge of production and procurement. Mr. Govind Beriwala, who heads the retail marketing network, also implementing Shyam Steel's greenfield projects. Mr. Lalit Beriwala, besides heading the project marketing network, mobilizes resources in India, Indonesia and Australia. Mr. Ravi Beriwala takes care of key marketing activities and heads the corporate communication division of the group. Mr. Manish Beriwala, besides taking care of important marketing activities, also heads the group's logistics division. The directors continuously put their heads together to strategize challenging marketing assignments and overseas operations. Shyam Steel is also discharging its role in society as a responsible corporate citizen, protecting and nurturing the environment, looking after the safety and health of workers and their families, organizing blood donation camps, spreading awareness about HIV, enriching the quality of life in its own humble way. You don't have to be the biggest to be the best. Shyam Steel has proved this before, and it is ready to make bigger promises and keep them. Put your trust in steel products from Shyam Steel and share the benefits. Shyam Steel. Remember our steel by name.